How to print business cards on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Then on the home page, just search for the business card over here on the search bar. So as you tap on business card, you'll be able to see different templates available for the business cards on the Canva application itself, and you might just select any of the cards or template that you feel is more better for you. So there are different cards over here. If you want to select any of these, make sure that you choose the free version. So let me select this one over here. Now as you tap on the selected or the preferred business card, it will load in the Canva page over here. And after it loads on the Canva application, here you can see there are two pages, the front and the back over here. All you have to do is customize it now according to what you need for your business. So you can select the different fonts and mention your business name, your number, and your website and everything else. Then after that, what you can simply do is tap on the download option over here at the top. So tap on that and tap on download, and here you can see the file type. So just make sure that you change it to the PDF print, because this is best for printing. It will become more better quality in order to print. And then tap on the color profile. If you want for digital use, just select for RGB, then tap on download, and then download a free watermarked draft, and you'll be able to download and you can print business cards on Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.